In this video, we're going to show you how to set up the Rice Lake digital baby scale to calibrate using metric weights. And this is going to require 20 kilograms of test weight, but it must be in the form of two 10 kilogram weights. A single 20 kilogram weight is not going to be sufficient because the unit is going to ask for 10 kilograms at a time when we go through the process. Now, by default, the scale is going to be set up to calibrate in standard weights, so it's going to request pounds. So the first thing we need to do is change the settings over so that it will request kilogram weights for the calibration. So we'll have to start by powering the unit on, and once we get to our operation mode here, we're going to go ahead and press the on-tare keys and the pound kilogram keys at the same time. The display should say Unit 1. Then we'll go ahead and press the on-tare key until it says Cal. And we see that pounds annunciator here is lit. We're going to hit pound kilogram to change that over to kilograms. And now the unit is set to request metric weights for the calibration. Press on-tare to turn the unit off at this time, because when we go through calibration we have to start with the unit powered off. Now, to get into calibration mode, we're going to press and hold the on-tare and pound kilogram keys until we see raw counts on the display. There they are. At this point I can go ahead and press the on-tare key. Once it stabilizes, it'll request that first 10 kilogram weight. So we'll go ahead and put that on the scale. Give it a moment, and then it requests now a total of 20 kilograms, so we can apply the other 10 kilograms to the scale. It gives it a moment, it says end, and then it comes back out into operating mode and shows us 20 kilograms. So calibration is now complete.